Today's video we will see how to fix Samsung soundbar cutting out. Intermittent audio fix guide. So the fix one, power cycle the soundbar. So turn off the soundbar, unplug the power cable from the wall outlet, then wait for around 30 seconds and then plug the soundbar back in and turn it on. Then test audio playback to see if the issue is resolved. Fix 2, check HDMI ARC or EARC connection. So disconnect the HDMI cable from both the TV and soundbar. Inspect the cable for damage and reconnect the cable firmly to the HDMI ARC or EARC port. If possible, test with another high-speed HDMI cable. Check whether audio remains stable. Fix 3, update soundbar firmware. So open the SmartThink app on your or visit the Samsung support. Then check for available soundbar or firmware update. Then install any available update. Then restart the soundbar after the update complete and test audio again. Fix 4, adjust TV audio setting. So open your TV settings menu, then go to the sound and expert setting, then enable the HDMI EARC model if supported, and set digital output audio format to PCM and test. If PCM work, try switching back to auto or pass through to find the most stable setting. Fix 5, reduce wireless interference. So move the soundbar away from the Wi-Fi router and other wireless devices. Keep the soundbar within range of the TV or source device, and then disconnect unused Bluetooth device nearby. And reconnect the soundbar and test the playback. Fix 6, reconnect the Bluetooth connection. So remove the soundbar from your TV or phone Bluetooth device list and put the soundbar into the pairing mode. Then pair the device again and play audio from several minutes to verify the connection remains stable. Fix 7, perform a full factory reset. So the option 1, reset using the remote. Turn off the soundbar using the remote control. Press and hold the power button on the remote for 5 to 10 seconds. Continue holding until INIT or reset appear on the soundbar display. Then release the button and allow the soundbar to complete the reset process and set up the soundbar again and test the audio connection. Now the option 2, reset without a remote. So turn off the soundbar, press and hold the volume plus or volume down button on the soundbar simultaneously for about 5 seconds. Wait until INIT OK or similar reset message appear on the display, and then allow the soundbar to restart automatically. Then reconnect the soundbar to your TV or audio source and check if the audio dropout have been resolved. Goodbye.